Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel ImMath. Today we are diving into a concept that is not only fundamental but also incredibly useful in our everyday lives. The concept of average. From calculating your monthly expenses to understanding trend in data, average play a crucial role. Think about it like this: when you are shopping or groceries and want to know the average price of particular item, or when you are playing basketball and want to know your average score per game, or even when you are planning a family dinner and need to know how much food to prepare per person. You are using averages to make informed decision. But what exactly is an average? Great question. An average is a measure that represents a central value. It is a way of summarizing data by finding a typical value within a range. So in this video, we'll explore different types of averages and learn how, and also we'll learn how to calculate each of them. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of averages and how to apply them in a various real world situations. So let's get started. So yeah, first we'll go with importance of averages. So we are using average in the performance evaluation. Then we are using average in the simplification and summary. If we need to compare multiple things, then we are using average. It will also help in your decision making. Statistic analysis also average is used. Wherever you are predicting or modeling the situations, there also averages play a crucial role. Efficiency in your communication and risk assessment. So these are the important things where we can use the average. So let's get started with an average. So what is average? So average is nothing but a mean. Okay, so in the average is also called as mean. Yeah. So what is the rule for average? So let's say average, so sum of total numbers. So if we have, let's say we have five numbers and there we need to find the average. So what is the rule for average? So average is equals to sum of the numbers. So first we need to find the sum, and then total of numbers means how many numbers. So there we will put a 5. So this is a basic rule of average. So in simplification, we can say A is equal to sum divided by total. So this is the formula for average. So in the next video, we'll learn these terms only: A, S, and T. So A is for average, S is for sum, and T for total. So the example we have here is the body of weight of 6 boys is recorded as 54 kg, 64 kg, 75 kg, 67 kg, 45 kg, and 91 kg. So what is the average body weight of all boys? So what we have given. So this is the one example how we can calculate the average. So first, what is given? Given is we have they have given you a weight of 6. So S6 is given and total is also given, like 6 numbers we have. So we need to find out A6. So first what we can do, first we need to get S6. So what is the 54, 64, 64, 75, 67, 45, and 96. So first we need to make a total. So S6 is equal to 396. Okay. Now So now we are applying a6. A6 means average of 6, average of 6 boys. So total of 6, sum of 6 and total of 6. So that's why 396 by 6 is equals to 6 is equal to 96 kg. So this is a simple what we are having. Now we'll go for the next example, like what is arithmetic means. So here we can say, so wherever in the example if we get arithmetic means it is nothing but a average. So now arithmetic mean of 15 number we need. So what is average of 15 numbers is given here, which is 41.4. Then what we need to find out? We need to find out the sum of these numbers. So what is given here? Given is that E15 means average is given, and T15 is like 15 numbers we have here. So we need to find out as sum of this 15 numbers. So what is the formula? A15 is equal to S15 divided by T15. So here S15, how we can calculate? We have put the value. So we have put the value A15 is 41.4, and we have taken this T15, so divide to multiply, and then 15 we know, so S15. So like this we can directly take S15 is equal to 620. Okay, so this is the sum of these 15 numbers. Okay, so this is a general example of how average we can calculate. So in this way we need to find out the average of the any number. Okay, so in this video link I am giving you the some examples where you can find the averages. So I am giving you test. So just before going forward you need to solve that test, so that your this concept, this what is find average is difficult position. Okay, to the difficult situations we will go. So before starting the next topic, just go with the link and just solve the test. Okay, so yeah, second is like what we have. So where let's say if we have some number, we have given some but their difference is same. So what we have one shortcut for this. Okay, so no need to go with that. If someone tell you like find the sum of first 100, find the average of first 100 number, then it is very difficult to solve that. Okay, like putting 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 like that. So to solve that, it is simple method we can check. So we'll go with that also. So first we'll find the average of this one. Here 1 3 5 7 9. So here what we have, the difference of 2. So first, then 3, then again difference of 2 5, then again difference of 2 7, then again difference of 2 is 9. So for this situation, first we'll go with the normal example. So what we have given here, given S5 is given and T5 is also given. So we need to find A5, that is average of these 5 numbers. So how we can calculate? A5 is equal to the sum of first 5 numbers and then divide by 5. So what is A5 is equal to? So sum is 25, then therefore average is 5. Okay, so this is our normal method, but now we'll go with the shortcut. So here T is also not required. Okay, so only, so how we can calculate? So here what we have, we need to do. So always take first number and the last number, where you know what is the first number and last number, divided by 2. That is the average simply. If the difference is, if you are seeing same difference in all the numbers, then only you can apply this. If not, if difference is not same, then you can't use this formula. Okay, only wherever you have a same difference, like here we have difference of 2, here we have difference of 2, here we have difference of 2, and here we have difference of 2. In the case if one number you didn't have difference of same, then also you cannot use this method. Like if we have 1 3 5 7 and 11, then also you cannot use this method. Okay, only the for all the places you need same difference, then only you can apply this. Okay, so what is the shortcut? First number plus last number divided by 2. So let's say here for this example, a5 is equal to, and divide by 2 is compulsory. It is not like we have 5 number then only 2. No, if we have 100, if we have 15, then also this goes to 2 only. Okay, now a5, how we can calculate first number? What is first number? 1. And what is the last number? It is 9. So 1 plus 9 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, means 5. So this is one a very shortcut formula for to find the average if the difference, if you have same difference. So this is our second method, like where you are having same differences. So in multiple examination it will ask like find the difference. If you have multiple numbers, then you cannot find, right? That time it will take more time for you. So this method will give you this method will cover your time. Yeah, now if we see here the average of, so if we go with the this normal method, then it will take much time. Okay, 7 10 13 16 19 22 25 28 31. So here we have difference of 3. For every number we have difference of 3, then we can apply this method. Okay, so what, so here yes 9 is given and t also is given. So how we can find e9 is equal to, this is normal method, how we, but it will give you a much, it will take your much time, so don't go with that. So here we have difference of 3 for every number we are seeing difference of 3, so that's why we can apply that shortcut method. So first number is, what is the first number? 7. And what is the last number? It is 31. So first 7 plus 31 divided by 2, so what will be 38 by 2, so it will be 90. So when you have this like this number, then you can directly apply this method. It will cover your time in the examination. Okay, so just practice on this. It will improve your this average part. Okay, now we'll take another example from by this method. So here, so what we need to find? Average of first 100 positive integers. Okay, so first 100 positive integer we need to find. So what is given? First 100 positive integer we need to find. Positive integer means 1. It is 1 to 100. Any integer will, but here we have said positive integer means from 1 to 100 only. Okay, if they said only integer, then integer value we can take anything, but as they have said positive integers, so that's why we are not taking minus. So 1 to 100 only, and they are saying first 100, that's why 1 to 100. Okay, is it clear? And we need to find 100. Okay, so how we can do? Directly now we are applying direct shortcut method. So first number is 1 and last number is 100. So 1 plus 100 divided by 2. So what is this? This will give you 50.5. If you have calculated like all the sums, then it will take you 2 to 3 minutes, but this will take only some less than 30 seconds. Okay, so just practice on this. Yeah, now we'll go for next question. Find the average of all the numbers between 6 and 34 which are divisible by 5. So now here first we need to check what was the first number, and then we can solve this. Otherwise if you go from 6 to 34, then it will not be your correct answer. So first they are saying divisible by 5. So what is the number from 6 to 34 which is divisible by 5? So first it will be a 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, and 35 is greater, so it will not come in between, so only 30 till 30. So yeah, this is given. So given, what is given? 10, 15 till 30, right? 10, 15, and we have same difference, 10, and so difference of 5. And here we can say t is not required. If we don't know the whole numbers, that is not required at all, only first number and last number, and if there is difference of 5, then it is fine. Okay, so and what we need to calculate this average. So yeah, how we can calculate now? So what we can give, take first number and the last number, divide by 2. So 10 plus 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 40 by 2, means average is equal is 20. Okay, yes. Yeah, now we'll go with the another example. So what we have here, average of two digit number which remains same when digit interchange their position. So first we need to find two. Here what they have said, two digit numbers. Okay, two digit number means from 10 to 99, which remains same when digit interchange, means both digits should be same, then only this condition will follow. Like 55, if you interchange, then also their value remains same. So that's why we need to take, like, so the numbers are 11, then we have 22, 33, right? Those when we interchange, then also their value will not change. So first we'll, so that is given. So what is given? 11, 22, 33, 90 till 99, we have the two digit numbers, right? Where so if you find here 11 and 22, that is difference of 12, difference of 11, sorry. 22 to 33, they are also difference of 11. And if you say 88 and 99, there also we have difference of 11. So what we can say, this is of same difference. So what is the average then? So average is equal to first number is 11 and last number is 99 divided by 2 directly. So which is 110 divided by 2, which is 55. So 55 is the average. If you calculate this like by adding all the numbers and then dividing, then it will take your much time. So this is a simple method you can try. Okay, and so this is a example of same difference. So you need to practice on this same difference. I am giving you a link in description, so just go over there, and you can solve those examples, and you can get a more practice on this same difference. Now we'll go for next topic, which is now we need to find the unknown. Okay, we have given some average, and so we'll check one example how we can find the unknown. Now what is the here given? The average of 5 consecutive odd number is 95. So what they have given? Odd number means that is 1 3 difference of 2, right? And which is not divisible by 2, that is also. And what is, so this is given the average of 5 consecutive numbers. So here we don't know which number they are asking, but they have given the average. Okay, so a, and we have 5 consecutive number, means a5 is given here. What is the fourth number in descending order? So now you don't have any number, and they are saying you a fourth number, like from last second number. Okay, descending order means last second number. So now what we can consider, yeah, a5 is given and t5 is also given, we can say. And we need to find, first we need to find s5, because total we need. So what we can say, let odd number is x. If we say let any number, then it is x is your odd number. Then what will be the next one? Next and on. So next one is x plus 2, right? If we say 1, then 1 is, and then next number is 3, so then x plus 2. Okay, so s5 is like this, x, then x plus 2, then next number is x plus 4, then next number is x plus 6, and then next number is x plus 8. Okay, x plus 2, because if you say this is 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3, then 1 plus 4 is 5, then this will be 1 plus 6 is equal to 7, and this will be 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. If we consider x equal to 1, then this will be correct odd numbers. Okay, so now what we can do, so this is the difference. So we everywhere if we see, we have a difference of 2 only. If we say any number odd numbers, then difference will be a 2 only, then we can use that difference method. So what will be the average? First number is x and last number is x plus 8 divided by 2. So that's why, and average a5 is given. So what will be the, then 95 x plus x is equal to, so 95 is equal to 2x plus 8 divided by 2. Then so 95, what we have given, this 2 we have taken common, so x plus 4 will be there, and 2 cancel, therefore 95 is equal to x plus 4. Then what? X is equal to 91. So first number we have identified, that is 91. But what they have asked, this is not they have asked. Okay, what is the fourth number in the descending order? So we need to find fourth number. So fourth number is, so fourth number is what they have. So this is the fourth number, right? First, second, third, fourth. X plus 6. So x plus 6. So 91 plus 6 is 97. So this will be our answer. If you, so in your question they can also give you this 91 as answer. Okay, so don't hurry. Okay, first check what is what was asked in your question, then only you can solve this like this example. Okay, then second, if we say, so here I am taking second example. So abcd are 4 consecutive odd numbers. Here also you can take even also if you, so abcd are 4 odd numbers respectively, and their average is 65. So a4 is given. Okay, and now what they are asking, they are asking product of a and d. A and d you need to find. So first you need to find this first number and last number, and then you can give the product. Okay, so this is your question. So a5 is given, and they have odd number as well. So what you can, so this is given a4, sorry, a4 is given, a4 is equal to 65, and difference is even number. So what difference is 2. So we can apply that method. So what we can consider, so first we'll consider x is a, then x plus, because as we are making a is x, then next number will be x plus 2, because if we say 1 here they have given even, I have make it odd or even. Okay, so this you can make it odd or even numbers respectively. So here let x is a, b is x plus 2, c is x plus 4, and d is x plus 6. So like this. So if we say x4, then what will be our a4 average? This will be first number and then last number, then x plus 6 divided by 2. So what will be there? 65, 2x plus 6 divided by 2. So now we have taken common 2. So 65 is equal to x plus 3. Then x is equal to 62. So x is your a. Okay, but what we have asked here in the question, a and d, product of a and d. So first we need to find d as well. Okay, so d will be x plus 6, then d is equal to 68. So like this way we can find the ad. So ad is equal to 62 into 68, which is equal to 64 to 16. Okay, so this is the average of 3 where you are saying find the unknown. Okay, so you don't know what was the number, so you can find like this way if you have the difference is same. Okay, so on this topic I'm providing a test, so just go in the description and I will, and you can solve the test on this topic. Okay, next we'll go, so where we you have multiple averages and you they will, so question will ask on the find the average of multiple averages. Okay, so let's take an example. In a class there are 32 boys and 28 girls. So here what is the total students? It is 60. So here 32 boys we have and 28 girls. Okay, so what they are giving, the average age of boys in a class is 14 years. So boys average they have given and the average age of girls in the class is 13 years. So this both averages they have given. Now you need to find out total average. Okay, same way they can also give total average and the one of the boys average and they will ask for girls average. So you need to find by using this method. Okay, so first we'll check what we have they have given. So a32 is given and a28 is given and we need to find a60. Okay, so it is not like same a32 plus a28 is equal to a60. Okay, this is average, it is not a direct sum. Okay, so if you give direct sum it will be 27, right? So in the answer also you can find this 27. Okay, so don't directly add that. Okay, so now first we'll find s32. So s32 is equal to average is so we have multiplied add 32 to average, then s32 will be a32 into 32 directly. So s32 will be 14 into 32 which is 448. Okay, 8. Now s32 we have calculated, same way we need to calculate this girls as well. S28, so s28 is equal to 828 into 28, then we'll go with that 13 into 28, so the answer will be 364. So okay, these two totals we got now. So how we can calculate this a60? So first we need to find out s60, right? S60, so s60 is equal to sum 32 plus sum 28, because both sum will not be a difference, right? If both sum will get, then only we'll get this sum of 60. Okay, so s60 will be 448 plus 364, so it will be 812. Okay, so now we got this s60 and we don't know this a60, but we have this 60 as well, right? So we can find this a60. So a60 will be s60 divided by 60. So yeah, so the average should be 13.53, not 27. Okay, so just make sure don't do this addition directly. Okay, this will be your average of 60. Now same way we can find the another example. Okay, we can find the average. So what is the example? The mean of 5 observation is 60. So here observation they have given, okay, multiple observations. So we need to find first. The mean of 5 observation is 60. Mean is nothing but average, okay? So don't observation is 60. The mean of 10 observation is 30. So here second observation they have given for 10 observation and the mean of 15 observation is 20. So now these three observation we need to calculate the whole mean of all the 330 observations. So first what we need to calculate. So directly I am giving now s, so directly yes we can do, right? So s30 is a30 into, so s30 what we can do, s30 is equal to a30 into 30 directly. So similar way we can calculate this S30. So what is for average of first, then 5, right? So this is first observation of 5, of first 5 observation. Then the remaining 10 observation we can write like this, and the last 15 observation like this. So that will be the sum. Okay, so S30 directly we are putting these values. So S30 is equal to 900. Okay, is it fine? Yeah, now we can calculate this A30. So A30 is equal to S30 divided by 30. So average of 30 is 30. So don't do like this. Okay, 60 plus 30 plus 20 divided by 3, it will be a wrong answer. Okay, so like this way only we can do. Yeah, and yeah, I'm giving you this uh, test for practice on these multi averages. So just go in the description before moving forward. Just just do practice on these multi averages, and then only you can follow the next topic. Now we'll check if you have some average number, and if you are adding something, then or if you are removing some number from that number, from that whole number, then what will be the average impact. Okay, so like this, they will ask you for this subtraction. So we'll check on this example. Okay, what they have given here, the average of 50 number is 38. Now A50 you have given, they have given as 38. A50, if the number 45 and 55 discarded, means from that number they are removing, from that 50 number they are removing this 45 and 55, then the remaining number is, now they have not given you anything, so you need to find out what is the average now. So how to calculate? So what they have given here, if 50 is given, and what you need to find out, A48. Okay, so now how we can calculate the sum of 50, that is A50 into 50. So how we can calculate? Okay, so yeah, so here if we see, okay, so A48. So now we have 50 numbers sum. So this is 50 numbers sum. Okay, 1900, and so S15, and then we are removing these two elements. So what will be the average? A48. So that's why we have given 48 here. So A48 is equal to these two we are removing. So that's like 18, and okay, so this is your A48. So like this way you need to do. So A48 is 37.5. Okay, same example we can check on the next step example. We can check the mean of 5 number is 18. Okay, so here what the mean is nothing but average. So the so the mean means average of 5 numbers. So 5 number is given and A5 is given here. If one number is excluded, means one number they have taken from this 5 numbers. So what will be the next? A4. Okay, the mean is 16. So A4 also they have given. Find the excluded number. Now you need to find the excluded number, means what number they have picked. So how to do this? So first they have given, so A5 we know A5. Okay, so S5 we can calculate. So what we are doing, let excluded number is X, let's say, and what is given, A5 and A4 both are given. Okay, so how we can do A4? We can do A4 is equal to, this is our, okay, like sum of 5 minus X, means this will be also sum of 4. Okay, this is sum of all minus X, means 5 minus 4, 5 minus 1 if we are doing, then it will be a 4. Like this way we have, what we have done, sum and then that number we have removed. So that will be a 4. Okay, 4 numbers sum only. Okay, now so sum 5 is our a5 minus a5 into 5, right? So we have taken that values. Okay, now what? So a5 we know, a4 we know what they have given here. We have 5, only we have this x, then x we can determine, right? So 4 we can multiply here. Okay, 4 multiply here, and 18 into 5 is 90. So 64 is equal to 90 minus x. So x will be, so here we'll go x here, we'll give x here, and then it will be plus, and 64 if we move here, then it will be minus 64. Then x is equal to 90 minus 64, which is equal to 26. So that number should be 26. Okay, so on this topic we have covered the test. So just go on this test and practice more on this topic. Okay, so link is given in the description, just go over there and practice on that test. And then last topic is addition. So if they have given some number, and if you are adding something, then what will be the your average? So how you can calculate that? So let's take an example of this average. So here the average of 5 number is 10. Here what they have given, a5 is equals to 10. The number which should be added to make the average 12. So a6 also they have given, so you need to find out what is the number. Okay, so how we can find? So now here we have given a5 and a6. So let added number is x, means any number we can take for now. Okay, so what will be the is, and s5 we can say like a5 into 5 means average of 5 into 5. So that is the sum of 5. Now how we can do a6? Sum of 5 plus x divided by 6. So those, and now we can take this s5 values here, a5 into 5 plus x divided by 6, and that will be a a6. So a6 is given here, a5 is given, only x we can calculate directly. So after giving this values 12, 10 and this 6, so 6 will give here, multiply here. So what will be the answer? 72 and 50. This multiplication will be 50 plus x. Then x will go here, and will, otherwise just 50 will give here because x is positive number. So 75 minus, sorry, 72 minus 50. So x will be our 22. So if you add 22 of this number, then only your average will go to 12. Okay, now take a next example. So this is very important example for this average. This will so multiple question asked on this example, like in uh, competitive examination. So this is somewhat difficult question. So what they have asked? So a batsman makes a score of 84 runs in the 20th inning, means he has played our 28th 21 21st inning, and he scored 84 runs. Okay, so you know the number what is added, and the average also increases by 2 runs. Okay, so his average after 28th inning is, now we don't know what was the average at 20th. Okay, so what is the year? A batsman makes a score, means one batsman made a score of 84 runs, okay, in 21st inning. So whatever average of this 20th inning is increased by 2 runs. So we need to find out that average of 21st inning, not 20th inning. Okay, So let's take an example. Let's solve it. So what is given? So we can say let average of 20 matches x. First we are considering, okay, we are considering the x. Let's say the 20th match average is x. So a20 is equal to x, we can say, and a21 they have given. After adding this number, the average increases by 2 runs. Okay, so x plus 2, we can say here a21 is equal to x plus 2. So what, so we can first we can check s20. S20 is a20 into 20. Okay, like average of 20 into 20. So what is a20? We have considered here x. So what will be the value of s20? Now we can consider a21. A21 is s20 sum of 20 number plus 84, right? So whatever sum plus 84 divided by 21, that will give 821. But 821 we have they have given as x plus 2. So we can give those values, and yes 20 we have find here 20, right? So this 20 we have added 20x and x plus 2. 820 where average plus 2 they have made. Then now we have only one variable, so we can solve this. So if we this 21 goes here, so x 21x plus 21 into 2 means 42. So this will give you 21x plus 42 is equal to 20x plus 84, right? Then we can solve it. So 21, so this this number we have take here, and 42 goes here. So after moving this, 21 will go minus 20, and 42 plus 42 will go here, and then it will be minus 42. Then after solving this, so 21 minus 20x is x, and 84 minus 42 is 42. So x is equal to 42. So this x is what we have considered let average of 20th match. Yes, this is not a match average of this 21st match. So this is average of 20th match. So how, what we can do now? So average we need to increase by 2 runs. So average of 21st inning is x plus 2, that is 44. 42 plus 2 is 44. So like this way you can solve this. So here they can so after, by increasing this by 2 number, they can decrease also, like x minus 2. Also you can take an example. Okay, so this will be cover your addition or subtraction topic. Okay, so these six types you can practice, and then you will not get any problems in these averages. And this average will also cover your this addition, like a number in the number general number they are giving some questions. Find the addition of first 20 numbers or odd numbers, those also you can solve by using this average. Okay, so yeah, I'm giving test on this addition one element. So just go in the description and solve that text, and practice on this average more. If you take any example, just practice on this. Just take any notebook of this aptitude, and then you can take the example from